This vehicle allows you to use a Bluetooth-enabled mobile phone hands-free. All you have to do is pair your phone with the vehicle. After pairing, the system connects automatically to the phone whenever the phone is inside the vehicle and the ignition is switched on. The system always defaults to the last paired device. If another device was paired, you will have to reselect the device you wish to pair from the list of previously paired devices. Remember to keep Bluetooth activated on your phone. Before you start pairing your phone, refer to the ownership section of our website for a list of compatible phones. If you are pairing a phone for the first time, switch the ignition on and touch Tap to Connect Phone on the home screen. This makes the vehicle's Bluetooth system discoverable. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and search for new devices. Select your vehicle's name. A passkey is generated by the system and a confirmation message appears on your phone and the vehicle's touchscreen. Check the passkey on the screen matches the one on your handset and select OK on the handset and Yes on the touchscreen to confirm. If pairing is successful, your phone's name is displayed. The vehicle now automatically connects to your phone. If you are connecting an iPhone, accept the pairing request. The phone system connects automatically without generating a passkey. Once a phone is paired and connected, a message may appear on the phone asking if you want to download the phone's contacts and recent call list to the vehicle. Approve this request. Next, press the phone shortcut to take you to the phone screen. To pair an additional phone or to change to another paired phone, select Change Phone. Touch Pair a New Device or select from the list of paired phones. For further information about this feature or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your authorised Jaguar retailer who will be more than happy to assist you.